Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So we gotta watch this video. It's how I made $4 million in 2 weeks from this channel called Truly. And I gotta say, the only thing about this channel is that they're truly wild and random in terms of what they post. It's everything from vampires to I'm ditching my Kate Moss image. It's just a random stuff. But this one catches my fancy because I want to know how he's making $4 million in 2 weeks. It sounds like it's something he could get in trouble for, but what's even more remarkable is that the like to dislike ratio on this video is turned off, so we're gonna find out for ourselves. As soon as you hit the like button and subscribe, we're closing into 1 million subscribers, so if you want to be a part of it, just click the button. It's totally free. Thank you so much, and now let's begin.
I made $4 million in 2 weeks. I'm definitely the biggest sports bettor in Vegas. To win big, you gotta bet big. It's the hurricane.
All right, so he's gambling. So how much you had to lose to make that $4 million bucks? It's like, yeah, you could make $4 million in 2 weeks. Just start with 50 million. That's easy. It's just like, what are his losses? What's required? Because it doesn't matter if you make $4 million if you're net down $30 million. So let's see.
We here at the Bellagio, about to place a big bet today. $100,000 game, I need this, baby, let's go. I'm Miles VS, a sports betting king, and this is my house. It's like the game room up here. I got a beautiful strip view.
Yeah, but here's the thing though, the house always wins. It's like they built in a margin to prevent people like him from existing. It's just, they squash these people because they see someone like him and they're thinking, there's no way this guy's this lucky. If there's any edge out there, we're just gonna make the odds worse so that he doesn't exist anymore. So at some point, it's how? How is he doing this? Unless he's selling his tips. That's the only thing I could think of.
Now I'm about to show you my cars. This the Huracan. I got a Rolls Royce, Maybach. I paid like $200 for the Wraith. I got a Hummer coming and I got another truck coming. I have very expensive taste. I make a lot of money, I spend a lot of money. The most expensive thing I bought, my house.
Can you tell us how much it was?
That was like $4 million.
$4 million? How? How did he got fleeced if he spent $4 million on that? Listen, I look at the real estate market on a daily basis. Unless this is in like McDonald Highlands, which is like one of the most expensive areas in Las Vegas, there's no way. That to me looks like maybe 1.5 to 2.5. Again, depends on location. I have no idea where this is. Looks like a great garage though, but not $4 million.
You go to Paris, you gotta see the Eiffel Tower. When you go to New York, you wanna see the Statue of Liberty. When you come to Vegas, you gotta see me. The sports betting king.
Gotta see him. Listen, I know people who go and see the Bellagio fountains. I don't know anyone who's lining up to go and see him at his house. Maybe, I don't know. Listen, I would put money on one of his bets, just for fun. You know what, give him the benefit of the doubt. I'll put $1,000 on, like, if he gives me something, he's like, hey, bet on this, give him $1,000. And I'll report back. If you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comment section. It's probably a waste of money. But, you know what, I shouldn't entirely discredit him because I had no idea. Let's try it.
The only place where you can wake up with $100 and you can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 out there. When I first came to Vegas, I never even gambled.
That's unhealthy to think that way though. Just wake up and be like, oh yeah, I could turn this $100 into $100,000. Let's try it today. I'll tell you, once I moved to Vegas, the desire to go to the casino just eliminated. Like, I don't even have the desire anymore to gamble. I never did to begin with, but when I would come here, it would be like a fun recreational thing, throw down a few $100 at the tables. Like, it's a good time, but now I have no desire anymore. It's just, why?
My first good win was I turned a $50,000 bankroll for $300,000 in like a week. So once I did that, it was over.
Yeah, but that's how they get you. Then they hope that you put that $300,000 back on the table, lose all of it, and then lose an additional $50,000. Like, that's how it works.
Biggest bet I ever made was $500,000. That was on the news. I won $775,000 plus my $500 back.
What? Okay. Influensive. Could these just be paid things though? Like what? Bet or, hold on, let's find out if these are paid. Sometimes it says they're paid. How is this news? Someone bets $500,000 on a mobile app? Like, again, who is sitting here and thinking like this is a newsworthy headline? Like, oh, I'm gonna write about this today. Let's see, could this be paid? Oh, you have to subscribe to see the story. All right, I'm out.
I have people making over $100,000 a month with me, betting off my plays. Last year alone, I bet like over 13 million in just betting. You know, this is my risky business.
Yeah, but here's the thing though. I want to know what the net is, because you could say, yeah, I made $10 million last month. But if your losses are $11 million, then you lost $1 million. Now, obviously his business is the sports picks. So we'd have to go through and verify, just how many he's winning versus losing. So I'm sure that's something we could look into, but yeah, his business is selling these picks, and I'd just be curious what his track record is.
There's no book to like, okay, when you become wealthy, what you expect. Like, you just gotta learn it as it comes. I always just had drive. Like, I always just want to be the best. I'm very competitive. Today I'm putting in a big bet. It's $100,000 games in NHL hockey. Like, hockey is my best sport to bet. I made the most money off hockey. The Jersey Devils, they play in the Flyers.
I'm not gonna lie though, it sounds like he's having a lot of fun doing this. Like, imagine just waking up and your entire work schedule is just placing bets. The casino, like that's your thing, is going and watching sports game and having a lot of money ride on it. That would be so stressful though. Imagine just going on a losing streak. You have to. I mean, again, the casino always wins. They build in a margin of error. I don't get how you could beat the casino.
Nobody wants to lose $100,000. It's a lot of pressure, but I love pressure.
We here at the Bellagio. Let's go.
I got a couple casinos I like. Bellagio let me get big bets.
So I just put $100,000 on the New Jersey Devils to win. If we win, it's $120,000 wins. I ain't never seen somebody mad about making $120,000 one day. Let's win. Let's go.
This guy sounds like Mickey Mouse.
2-0 right now. We looking good. Let's go. Say easy money. Once you got your mind on a bet, do not change it. Do not overthink in this game. I just made $120,000. That's in 2 hours. Sitting on my ass the whole time. New Jersey Devils.
Yeah, but you have to risk $100,000 to do that. The thing is, he could also lose $1,000 while sitting on his butt doing nothing. I mean, it could go either way. I'm glad it worked in his favor, though.
Blowout winner, easy money, underdog. That's why I am the GOAT. There's only one GOAT. Another 6-figure day, another day in the office. I made $120,000 in 2 hours. And that's why he called me the sports betting king.
Are you afraid of getting robbed by keeping like that much jewelry, that many watches, that much cash on you? I mean, how do you walk around with that much cash on you? And it's not like he's subtle or anything. He's wearing Gucci head to toe. I mean, it just kind of stands out. He's not blending in with the crowd by any means.
That's why I do all my videos, all my work, all my I'm gonna do it again. You got this.
So you know what? At the end of the day, I think we need more of Mozzie. I want more of this Las Vegas better because he seems extremely interesting. So you know what? If you guys could link me to some of his content, I would love to watch more, and maybe there would be something else to react to. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.